I wanted to do this series of videos. This is my father's flag that the Veterans Department, the Department of Veterans Service, or however you say it, presented to my mother at my father's funeral. And she handed it to me. I'm going to do these series on the Constitution of the United States because we have people who don't understand the way the Constitution works. The Constitution of the United States is a circular protection document, right? It offers me or people like me protection from people like you. And it offers people like you protection from people like me by setting up basic rules that we should live by in this country. The Constitution of the United States. This is the preamble. We, the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote general welfare, and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity, do ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America. Now, I'm going to read this whole document, but it's going to be a series. Where do you start? We cheating today. I want the people to know their rights because of the language that's being used and planetary authority. Okay. The amendments to the Constitution of the United States, as ratified by the states, the Bill of Rights. Note, the first 10 amendments to the Constitution were ratified December 15, 1791, and form what is known as the Bill of Rights. Amendment 1. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging of the freedom of speech or of the press, or the rights of the people peaceably to assemble and to petition the government for a redress of grievance. Amendment 2. A well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. Amendment 3. No soldier shall, in time of peace, be quartered in any house without the consent of the owner, nor in time of war, but in a manner to be prescribed by law. Amendment 4. The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue but upon probable cause, supported by the oath or affirmations, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the person or thing to be seized. Amendment 5. No person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime, unless on a presentment or indictment of a grand jury, except in cases arising in the land or naval forces. Presentment or indictment. I'm sorry, reread. I'm sorry, I'm reread that one again. Amendment 5. No person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime unless on a presentment or indictment of a grand jury, except in cases arising in the land or naval forces or in the militia, when in actual service in time of war or public danger. Nor shall any person be subject for the same offense to be twice put in jeopardy of life or limb, nor shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself, nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation. Amendment 6. In all criminal prosecutions, the accused shall enjoy the right to a speedy and public trial by an impartial jury of the state and district wherein the crime shall have been committed, which district shall have been previously ascertained by law, and to be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation, to be confronted with the witnesses against him, to have compulsory process for obtaining witnesses in his favor, and to have the assistance of counsel for his defense. Article 7. In suits at common law, where the value in controversy shall exceed $20, the right of any trial by jury shall be preserved, and no fact trial by a jury shall be otherwise re-examined in any court of the United States than according to the rules of the common law. Amendment 8. Excessive bail shall not be required, nor excessive fines imposed, nor cruel and unusual punishment inflicted. Amendment 9. The enumeration of the Constitution of certain rights shall not be construed to deny or disparage others retained by the people. Amendment 10. Amendment 10. This one is important. The powers not delegated to the United States by the Constitution, nor prohibited by it to the states, are reserved to the states respectively, or to the people. Not to the president, to the people. The president don't own this country. The people does. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe. Also, turn on notifications so that you can be notified when I post another video. Thank you.